December the 14th, 2016. We're at Dunkin' Donuts, and this is Chloe. Chloe likes Starbucks coffee, but today we're at Dunkin' Donuts. Hi. And I think, is Chloe now off coffee, Peggy? Did you say she was drinking too much coffee?
Yes, she was.
So the vet asked her to stay off coffee for a while? Okay. So, unfortunately, it's a very sad story for anyone who's a coffee lover like myself to have to withdraw yourself from coffee.
But Chloe had no problems.
She didn't have a problem withdrawing. She didn't go through withdrawals.
No withdrawals. She just was told she couldn't have any more coffee, and she just didn't take any more coffee. Did you?
Wow, well, not all of us get over our addictions as quick as that.
So I enjoy things when they
Chloe,
happen. You're going to come down?
you want to come on the table?
Come on.
You're welcome if you like.
Step
Here
up.
at Dunkin' Donuts, we welcome. We're a very diverse restaurant. Dunkin' Donuts is like the Tim Hortons of Canada.
Oh, now she sees the coffee.
You see? Chloe loves the coffee. Are these her glasses? Are these your glasses, Chloe? How's the coffee? A little bit more? Okay, a little bit more. Dunkin' Donuts coffee. So now it's a competition over the Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks. She's stretching her neck to get the Dunkin' Donuts coffee. All right. That was good, Chloe. Good.